Hello everybody. I have here my pan heating up, which I already made some cheese chips. The last time I made it was popcorn style. I just buy the block of cheese and just cut it, slice it and cut into 3. It's your choice if you want to buy the shredded one, but I don't buy it because I know it has starch in it. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it there. So on low heat, that will start melting and it will get hard. I already made a Spanish video on how to make the chips. For some people that don't have an oven, this is a way to make your chips. This is a small pan. 4 can fit in there, but I'm just making 3. I'm not making much. This is just for the video's sake I'm making. I'm not into eating cheese that much, which is a good thing because it's high in calories and that can also give you a stall if you eat too much cheese. That will melt and it will become chips. So I'm gonna fast forward the video and you can see all the process. I will not stop the video so that way you can see how it starts transforming and how I do it, okay? So that way the video is not that long. You can use an oven if you wish. Have your oven heating up. You're gonna have to keep an eye on it until it's just golden, not burnt. Maybe 5 minutes, I'm not sure. Or you can use your microwave. Use a wax paper or just a ceramic plate. Alright my friends, so here's the results. I made a Spanish video before, so that's why you see extras. The difference here, look. The Spanish video I made them more thinner. You can see it's more thinner. And this one I made it thicker, but still it's crispy. You can hear the crispiness. It's hard. You can eat it with guacamole. You can make a tuna salad and put some on top with a piece of avocado, or an egg salad and put it on the top. So many things you can do with these chips. So there you go, a simple way to make chips. Very easy and simple. You can do it in the oven, you can do it in the microwave. Any way you wish to do it, there's always a way. There's no excuses. Even in your Instant Pot. You can even do it in your Instant Pot too. Yes, you can. I hope you like this video. If you're new, subscribe and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share, 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 like, comment below, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.